They broke open the toy now, and now there's catnip all over the ground, and they're having fun. Kobe, do you want part of it? Oh, it's soaking wet because they're licking it and drilling on it.
Kobe's like, I don't need no.
Do you see Juno, man? She's going nuts. Juno! Come over here. Kobe, stop licking the ground.
Mmm.
What are you eating? Ooh. Honey, make Juno come over here.
Juno, come over here.
She's sitting over there just licking the toy.
Oh, Juno.
Come here.
Oh, come her over here.
Come here, honey. Juno, I see you. Come here. I want some of that. Have some of this one?
What's it?
I didn't get that kind.
Why?
Oh my gosh, he's eating all the catnip. That's what he's doing.